You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this opera by Claude Debussy? A name from French, obviously. There's also a play by Maurice Maeterlinck in French in France, and then we'll talk about how you can say it easily in English. Pelléas. Pelléas is how you say it. Yes, you do pronounce the S at the end. It's an exception. Pelléas. E is French for end. Mélisande. Mélisande. Okay, there might be a different pronunciation that exists, Mélisande, because there's only one S. But the most common pronunciation in French is Pelléas et Mélisande. Okay, so if you cannot pronounce French really well, you can say it as Pelléas, Pelléas. I know it may sound a bit odd, but you know, it's French, not English. Pelléas et Mélisande. Pelléas et Mélisande. From French, Pelléas et Mélisande. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.